Hey everyone, welcome to the second vlog of this Belgian trip. I'm still with Corvus, with Antonio and with Flo, and today we are at Plopsaland, Panne. So today, the big highlight obviously is going to be Corvus's first ride on Ride to Happiness, and I'm going to try to get his reaction. Unfortunately, we're not going to be able to use the hand mount for the reaction shot, which is a little bit unfortunate, but we saw it coming, so we still have the chest mount from yesterday and we're still gonna be fine, don't worry. So, it's still pretty early, it's about 9:30 right now, so nothing is really open, but I think we're gonna queue for Heidi to ride because it usually gets a huge queue.
Smells nice.
Woo!
It's just constant floating.
I know, right?
Great. Das ist gut, ja.
It's really good.
It was flying along, wasn't it?
And it's a morning ride.
Yeah, I still think Wicker Man has the better, not really first drop, but like sequence of drops. You can't beat that the S drop.
I agree.
The rest of that is, I think, better than Wicker Man. Like
Definitely.
even just in the morning, the amount of floating.
So the one thing that Wicker Man does better is obviously the theme.
Yeah, that pre-show.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just, yeah, I don't know.
But otherwise,
really like GCIs. It's my second ever one.
And we really have to try it in the back and
yes,
later in the day because it'll be even more good. You'll see.
I can't wait for that.
Hell yeah. So right now, I don't know what we're gonna do, guys. Probably Anubis, probably Ride to Happiness. You guys will get the surprise, but we're going somewhere. That's definitely what we're doing. Or probably the Draak. We shall see, actually. I confirm. Draak.
Isn't pretty much all of them, unless it's an independent, it's Merlin.
Wow.
Whoa! I can't tell if it's intentionally jank or just jank.
Both.
I'm glad Macabesh are at seats now because these are not. Oh, the Ride to Happiness.
The Intensivics is coming.
Oh no. We just go straight to the station.
Hello! Well, to be fair, that powered coaster, the Draak, or Le Dragon, is way more forceful than it appears, even though it's still a family coaster. He's so hyped. I can see you in the corner of my shot, and you're like, Ride to Happiness! And it's true, it's Ride to Happiness. I'll show you, hold on. See, that's the view we're coming around to. Yeah, that banana roll is probably, I mean, I was gonna say it's probably one of the best elements of Ride to Happiness, but really all the elements on Ride to Happiness are the best elements of Ride to Happiness, so...
I didn't know.
Yes, you are, and you haven't even been on it.
No. It's
We're gonna do all the shit creds for now, so K-Free, LikeMe coaster, then we're probably gonna get to Anubis, and then the final prize for Mr. Corvus over there, the ride to happiness. Let's see. I'm sorry. It's not really my choice to be fat. Let's see. Whoa! Because it is, and look, the station as well.
Oh yeah. Nothing's going to prepare me for that launch. I love how we make it all the way down the drop before it's...
Right, so we're done with the shit creds. That was painful. I literally had something in my ass for the whole entire zero, so that was painful. I feel it in my ass. It was like 2 minutes. It was really painful. I will not be able to shit tonight. And now we're going on something a little bit more on the quality side, let's say. We're going on Anubis, which is one of the most powerful launches, well, LSM launches on the planet. So you guys will be able to see that, because we'll try to get a front row again. This park is not telling you where to go, so you can really easily get a front row. However, be ready to wait for that front row.
This is going to be insane.
Because it starts nice, you know, and then, well then,
Firmly back. Oh.
Let's go! Woo! Woo! Yay! Whoa! Whee! Whoa! Oh!
Wow.
That got my balls.
The Nothing Hill.
Whee!
Oh, that was really good.
I know, right? Oh! Ah, that is amazing.
That was ridiculous. That launch was...
That launch is one of the best on the planet.
It was very smooth. I'd see what you mean about the restraints though, because at the points where you have a lot of force going up or to the side, you just kind of get a bit...
Can you imagine that, but with lab bars?
Yeah, that would be so much better. But I think that track looks gorgeous as well. But yeah, nothing can prepare you for that launch.
I couldn't see it.
I love it.
Yeah, it's an amazing coaster, and one of my instant favorites when it opened back in 2009. So yeah, that was our last before Ride to Happiness. Now it's time for the car.
We're gonna ride that happiness.
Fuck yeah, we are.
Through the energetic maze to this place. You are now but a few steps away from happiness. In a moment, you will experience how nature embraces you.
Are you ready?
No.
Let's go, man.
So cool. Whoa, this is so cool.
Let's go. Oh boy, that's so good.
Wow. That was ridiculous.
So you liked it?
Yeah. I need another ride to work our weight ranks though.
Let's go at the back then.
Yeah, let's go to the back.
Let's go, boys.
It's so relaxing.
Until now. Hey! I feel ya! And now you're gonna get thrown right now. Yay! Whoa!
I still don't know. There's a bird's nest at the top.
Yeah, I noticed as well.
I still don't know. Ooh, the bass.
I know, right?
I still don't know.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
It's really, really good, but...
So, you tried the magic seats.
I had the full front car to myself, and I've speed so much.
Wait, you were alone?
On the whole front car, there was about 5 other people in the rest of the
That
train.
is very lucky.
There's still no queue.
Wow. Well, there you have it. And so now, do you have an opinion on that?
I still don't know.
Oh, for fuck's sake, it's your third time! How many times will you need, you
The thing is that I rode Velocicoaster 5 times, so I knew I really, really liked it at the time, which is why it was immediately my number 2. And then after riding Zadra a lot of times with you, I realised that it was better, because Zadra's a bit too much when you re-ride it, which I think this probably is as well, but
I mean, look at us.
it's more enjoyable than Zadra.
Yeah.
But yeah, I feel like I'll know when I go on Velocicoaster again, which should hopefully be in the next couple of
2025,
years.
2026 maybe.
Yeah.
We shall see.
But, yeah.
All right. Well, one piece of advice I have for you guys: if you ever come to Plopsaland, Japan, ride to happiness. This is weird. Well, you always want to be on. If you're alone, at the very least, if you're alone in your row, you always want to be on the rightmost seat of the track. That means if you're facing forwards, you want to go sit on the right, but if you're facing backwards, you want to go sit on the left, and that will make you spin like crazy. Or if you're in a group, put the heaviest one. I know, there's always a heaviest one. It's me here. But yeah, always put the heaviest one on those seats because this will give you the most spinning. So, I didn't really vlog this afternoon, I know. Sorry about that. But honestly, we had a pretty good day. We chilled a lot. We didn't do a lot of rides this afternoon, really, but it was still an amazing day and we had a lot of fun. I think Corvus did 9 laps of Ride to Happiness. I only did 4 because I wasn't really feeling well. Ride to Happiness is really a ride that you want to be in good condition to ride, you know. You have to feel really well, have slept well, have eaten a decent amount, and yeah, but otherwise it's still an amazing ride. And if you know how to ride it, P.S. the magic seat is second row, but on the left from the way you're facing. Yeah, it's an amazing ride. I love it. Anyway, that's gonna do it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one for Bobby Anon.